Hey, I'm Elliott from Baratza, and today we're going to be unboxing and setting up your brand new Sette 30. A grinder to take you to delicious espresso as quickly as possible. The Sette 30 features a built-in grind timer, 30 grind settings, and repositional arms for your portafilter or the grounds bin. Pop the lid and you'll see the grinder and all the accessories. First up, the quick start guide. Keep this close for reference as we'll walk through the steps together here. Your quick start guide may look a little different than the one we have here, but rest assured that the one you have is made for the grinder that you're unboxing and will cover all the important bits together. Remove the power cord, grinder, shut-off hopper and lid with the calibration tools and mat, and the grounds bin with a brush. Give the hopper, lid, dust tray, and grounds bin a wash with warm soapy water. Rinse and dry completely before use. Now let's get it set up. To install the hopper, position the shutoff knob towards the back of the grinder as we have here, press into place and rotate clockwise until it stops. When you want the beans to flow into the grinder, make sure the shutoff knob is in the open position. If you want to remove it for cleaning without grinding through all your coffee, just flip it to closed. Then put the dust tray in. The Sette 30 has repositionable arms that can be set to rest your portafilter on, or to hold the grounds bin on, like this. We'll be grinding into the portafilter later, so let's reset. Now let's talk grind settings. The Sette 30 has 30 grind settings that run from 31 to 1, with 31 being at the coarse end and 1 at the finest. Just rotate the grind adjustment to change your grind setting. You can find more info on grind settings, important safety information, and more in the quick start guide. Connect the power cable to the slot in the back of the grinder, then plug into a power outlet. Now let's talk grinding. Set the timer on the display with the up and down buttons, then press start to grind. Press again to pause mid-grind, or the stop button to stop and reset the timer. If you aren't sure how long to set the timer for, you can grind in manual mode. Simply hold down the start button for 3 seconds to enter pulse mode, then you can press and grind for as long as you hold it down for. The timer will count up in seconds to show the grind time. Then you can use that as a reference for how to set your timer. Use the up and down arrow to adjust your desired time. Let the grinder run through that selection and the grinder will reset to that time. Now, let's make some espresso. I've weighed at 18 grams, set the grinder to 9, and now I'll grind in manual mode until all the coffee is ground, so I can use that as an estimate of how to set the timer with a full hopper. You'll need to set the timer for a couple seconds shorter, as it will grind faster with a full hopper. Tamp and brew. Note that even though we're using setting 9 with this grinder, this coffee, and this espresso machine, it can be quite different for you depending on your setup. If your shot comes out faster than ours, you need to go finer or to a smaller number. If the shot comes out slower or not dripping at all, you need to go coarser to a larger number. Okay, now let's taste. Oh yeah, notes of fruit, maple, that's nice. At Baratza, we're not just about making grinders, we're about helping you brew better coffee every day. That's why we design products that last and back everything with world-class customer support and product service. Got questions? Hit us up at baratza.com/support. We're real people who love talking coffee. Be sure to subscribe for more brew guides, recipes, and tips.